Hey, I wasn't able to find your Facebook page or your website, but I just typed in Roof Repair Atlanta. These are Google ads. These you have to be verified for. They're supposed to be a little less spammy than the original Google ads. Next, the GMB, and then you got organic ranking. Grabbing this guy takes us to the service page for the location page. You can see he's got quite a bit of content on here, so you'd want to throw up more content than him. Google loves content. He's got 1,251 words. So yeah, you'd want to add more content. You'd want to have more content than him. You'd want to have probably 2,000 words at least of content. Also, you'll see this. He's got keywords that he's highlighted in here. That's just going to help him. Those are keywords he wants to rank for, and that's just going to help him with that. So he probably has his images saved correct. Oh, he doesn't. I take that back. You want to make sure you have your images saved with keywords as well. That's a missed opportunity this guy did not take. He probably doesn't know about it, but you want to make sure your images are saved correctly. Tossing this guy into Ahrefs. He's got 21 UR, 37 DR, so he's those are pretty good scores. 898 backlinks, 304 referring domains. So he's doing pretty good there. But you can still beat him there. Basically, you just come in here and you could copycat him. You'd want to grab. Not all backlinks are created equal. You'd want to grab high DR, high UR scores, and you'd also want to make sure they're relevant to your industry. But you can come in here and as well as all your competitors and find ones that you like. And see, this one's pretty decent right here. Let's check out this one. See how I got this. We can click here. So this is, what is this? UniversalPressRelease.com. But yeah, it looks like it's Spidey can fill himself out. You'd have to figure out exactly what this is and how to get it. Let's check out this one. So basically, just he figured out how to get that. I just go to the main website and try to figure that out as well. This looks like a guest post. So he probably paid someone to post this with links back to him. It doesn't look like he's in the comments there. So yeah, he paid to have that guest post made, or he might have wrote it himself and was able to get it submitted at that website. But yeah, you can just kind of copycat, figure out how to get those posts and get them yourselves. You can also go check out all your other competitors and grab their backlinks that you like as well. Remember, you don't want to grab spammy ones. You don't want low numbers. You want to make sure they're also relevant to your industry. And then you can also go out and get your own. You can get that by guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, website or news articles, basically anything that'll link back to you. But again, remember not to get spammy ones and not to get ones that are not relevant to your industry. Next thing is check out this guy's keywords. I'm gonna type in Atlanta here because he's got so much. But Roof Repairs Atlanta right there, 300 volume, 37 KD. So that's pretty hard to rank for. It's not impossible. You can do it. It's just gonna take a lot of time. But it's got a good volume there. Yeah, those are the same one. Atlanta Roof Repair right there. Same K difficulty, a lot less volume. So I would if not bad to go for this one, but it's going to take you a lot longer. Roofer, Atlanta, Georgia, 150 volumes, so half the volume, even harder to rank for. Roofing, even harder, another half it again. But yeah, we can come down here and find, let's look for nice ones. Metal Roofing Atlanta right there. That one's very nice. 100 volume, 3 KD. So that's one you would definitely want to put on your website if you do metal roofing, of course. Roof Leak Repair Atlanta right here is another good one. 70 volume, 0 KD. Very easy to rank for. And you just come down here and keep finding those. Metal Roofing Atlanta GA, 20 volume, 4 KD. So the volume's not all that great, but it's still super easy. So you could just toss it on your website if you want. But yeah, you can just come down here and find commercial roofing contractors, Atlanta. So that's 30 people search that a month, 12 KD. So those are going to be bigger. If you do commercial roofing, that would be a nice one to go for right there. Gutter repair Atlanta right there if you do gutter repairs. And you just keep going through here and grab all the nice ones that you like, and put them on your website, either in images or content-wise. You can go check out other competitors as well, and start ranking for those keywords. The next thing is the GMB going in here. If you don't have this yet, set one up. It's free to do. You just got to verify yourself with Google. You want to make sure you set up 100%. And then photos are the content. So the more photos you have, the better. You want to make sure there's keywords in the photos. And then citations. Citations are just directories. So you'd want to make sure that your name and the GMB as well as the directory are the same. Same with the phone number, and same with the location. And then you can get a citation. Citations are just like directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. I can get them from Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook. There's a whole bunch of them out there. It's something you can do. It's just time consuming. Hopefully this helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and have a good rest of your day.